Bought a mystery box from eBay for $50. We got it from South Carolina. We're not sure what's in it. This is our first mystery box, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see if it's worth $50. You ready, Tyler?
Yep.
Let's.
I'm gonna take these off.
It's in a
and this
Brahma box.
Yep.
We don't know what's in here.
Golf ball.
An American flag golf ball. Okay. What else? A Star Trek comic book.
Ta-da.
Some pencils.
Which is really weird.
What is that?
Oh.
This is like some mascara.
Yeah, I don't know why that's in there.
A glowing flag.
iPhone case.
An iPhone case.
Don't know what
which iPhone? An iPhone OtterBox for an iPhone 5C. This is a bath bomb.
A bath bomb cupcake.
Black Panther
Hat.
Black Panther hat. What else?
Can I have that?
Double-sided tape. This is a lint roller refill.
Yeah, this one's like the biggest one, so we'll put it back and we'll do that one. Great. We got stickers with googly eyes on it.
Makeup brush holder.
Most of this stuff's like weird. I don't want to see this one, Dad.
This is a color collection.
The complete second
Pins. The second season of SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. I want that.
Art stickables. Sheets on a roll.
Don't know what that is. Sound core set.
It's like a little Bluetooth speaker.
Oh. God. We got tape.
We got tape.
And we got a shirt. Got race car shirt.
A race car shirt.
That's number 14.
That is it.
We're gonna go watch this first.
This was worth $50.
I want the Black Panther hat and the SpongeBob season 2.
So
We're all gonna share SpongeBob
that's what you get out of a mystery box.
That's what you get out of $50 mystery box.
Alright guys, just want to say thanks for sticking around and watching this video. We did come out on top $25, but the Bluetooth speaker was missing a charger. The shirt was way too small, and the glow sticks don't even work. So probably all in all, it's probably about $50. So I mean, we did get our money's worth, I guess, but as you can tell from the description, it's definitely not worth $200 retail. But it is what it is. Thanks for watching.